Hi, Flavia. Thank you for sending your presentation. I know it's very weird to do this, to see yourself speaking in English, but it's a good experience for you. I know it. Okay, so let me make a few notes about pronunciation, and then I want to talk about the concept. First of all, the pronunciation of the word relevant. I thought you were saying elephant. You know, the animal with the nose. So make sure you say relevant. I know that in Brazilian Portuguese, the R sound when it's at the beginning of a word, I know that it sounds more like a H, but I want you to try to make an effort to make it R. You don't have to do R, but definitely there is some use of your tongue there. R, R. Okay, so relevant. When a relevant topic, and more. Nice job to divert attention. Literature. The pronunciation of this word is 3 syllables. Literature. Not literature or literature. So literature. And punchago. Literature. Used. Here we go. We have more ed endings. Remember, you only add an ed syllable if the word ends in a d or a t. For example, needed or treated. But anything else, used, played, walked, anything else, you just add it. You just add it without adding a syllable. So it's not walked, but it's the same with used. Used, not used. Now, the concept of red herring. You have the right definition, but not an example that shows it. Because a red herring is while you are having the argument with somebody or having a discussion, you shift the topic so that people focus on a different side of the issue. So it's not two different entirely issues like pandemic and the environment. No, it's something that, let's say, the president wants to talk about the pandemic, and his advisors are saying, well, you really need to make sure that you keep the economy closed, you keep restaurants closed. And then the response, the red herring will be, oh, but the food is so delicious. So that has nothing to do with whether or not we should keep the restaurants open, but it is still connected within the topic of the restaurants. So that's why your example doesn't work well for the red herring. So try to come up with another example, maybe watch a few videos. And also your handout, I want you to make it with notes, not sentences. And also, if you can draw something which somebody can understand, not just a person with a bubble, like with a thought bubble. If you can draw something where I just look at it and I understand it, or at least get an idea, that would be better. So work again on finding a better example, note my pronunciation comments, and create a handout that is more student friendly. Okay, give it a try. I hope this is helpful.